Remember, if anybody tells you that you're ugly, what do we say?
You're ugly back.
You're telling me that you're ugly? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to our new viewers and subscribers. So it's back to school time again, and today is the first day back to school for Robyn. So this video is basically to showcase to you our morning routine. Here's my girl. She just wake up, and this is literally how she wakes up, and wherever I am, she's gonna find me. And as the mommy I am, I have to just give her a little lift and a little smooches. She's always in this little grumpy mode until she gets her tea. She still drinks from the sippy cup. I'm trying to find one that's good enough, but I can't find it. Oh my god, look at her hand with the mosquito bites. She's allergic to mosquito bites. There, you want to see her foot? Her foot, all these things that you see here, mosquito. She is allergic. I have ice cream. She itches so badly, so this is why we have the blanket on her.
Yeah, because I don't want to do the upper school.
Okay.
Thank you, Mom. I want to go to school. Woo! All day. Let's see me. How is it?
Watch out, look at all I beat them a drop out of your ear. I'm gonna fix them.
Oh no. We can do it now.
Wait, I will show hot water. Go away. I see. All this summer you don't catch a cold. No school are open, you're sick. Jesus.
No kissing the kids.
No kissing. And what you're gonna tell them? Remember, if anybody tells you that you're ugly, what do we say?
You're ugly back.
You're telling me that you're ugly? What? No, you tell them I'm beautiful.
I'm beautiful. If I'm ugly, I'm beautiful.
I'm smart.
I'm smart like you.
What, do you remember our affirmations? What we said yesterday, we're grateful.
We're grateful for God. We're grateful for kids. We're grateful for Lord. We're grateful for kids. We're grateful for families. We're grateful for mommies. We're grateful for all of our life from God.
We're grateful for food.
We're grateful for food. We're grateful for
Our home.
We're grateful for a good home.
Yeah.
We're grateful for
Friends.
friends.
Remember, you're gonna go brush your teeth now.
No. I always do something by myself.
You always do stuff by yourself.
No.
Do you like doing it by yourself? Yeah? You like to brush your teeth by yourself? With my toothpaste? You don't like to use yours anymore? It doesn't burn you?
I'm done with this one.
Brush your tongue. Remember, you're gonna do the tongue.
Jesus.
What happened?
It'll burn me.
Turn the pipe on.
It'll burn me like Jesus.
Because that's for adults. Okay?
Adults love to do it.
That's good. Guys, you see, guys, I don't know if you guys noticed, but she's always in one piercing. So her hairs were pierced twice. and this one was infected, so we had to remove it. So
Mommy, but we still get it. Mommy, it's not gonna be hot because it's only one pull out.
yeah, so we're gonna do one weekend. We're gonna go and get the other one done. Because right now, can I see the other hair, baby? Yeah, so right now she's only with one earring. And that's been for like before summer. Yeah.
Summer?
Before summer break.
Summer break?
Mm. Come hurry.
Okay, please. Smell more, guys.
I must smell it. Smell it. Blow it. Smell fresh. Boogies in your nose. Let me see in your nose.
Hey.
Ew. Ew. It's gross.
You have to eat it.
What?
That's
That's nasty.
You have to eat it. That's the way I like it. 3 plus 2 equals 5.
Yes, good job.
I don't want you to help. Okay.
I'm going to help you with it because it has most of the books and it's a little bit heavy.
I don't need your help.
I'm going to help you to bring it.
No. I'm alright. For the bag.
Turn it around, let me see. It's very heavy because all the books are in it.
You know another? Thank you.
Sure.
I'm ready for school.
Her birthday is January. I did this for her 4th birthday. This is what I did because it was very bland. I didn't like the curtains. She didn't like the curtains, as you can see, and you will get to learn more about Robyn. Robyn is very particular. She likes what she likes, and she's not afraid to tell you that she doesn't like this. And she said, "Mommy, this gray is not for girls. This room is not for girls, and I need to get out of this house because I don't like the paint." So Mommy had to just improvise and buy the wallpaper. I did buy black because I was like trying to make the furniture black like the bed, and I realized, wow, the room is so freaking dark. So I changed my mind. I stopped wrapping because you can see here, you see the black. So I was trying my thing. So the black is there, and I was like, no, that's not gonna work. So I stopped and be like, all right, girl, just buy the paint. So I'm gonna buy the paint, purple and pink, and we're gonna get this done. Tell me why I come for these kids and they are out here on swing and she's not ready. Not ready. Okay. What happened to you? She's mad because I took her from the swing. She wanted to stay longer. This is a problem with Robyn. School is over at 2 p.m. and I always have to stay an extra hour at Robyn's school because she wants to swing. And I don't have time for that. Like, I have to come home and I have to come prepare dinner. And I'm just coming from the road. I actually spent 2 hours in the tax office. So, little Miss Robyn is grumpy. Long mouth. Fix your mouth. So you're not telling mommy how was school? Telling me how was your first day? You're mad? You're mad because I took you from the swing? Alright, so tomorrow you can go back, okay? Tomorrow you can go. You want to go today? Huh? You want to still go back on it? No, tomorrow. Tomorrow is a new day. Okay? It doesn't make sense you cry because you're not going.